Hello YouTube. In this tutorial I will show you how to recover your data from the hard drive when Windows do endless restart. Suppose your device loads Windows endlessly and then a blue screen appears. But even if we load the installation disk, we cannot proceed with the repair. Can we save the data of the damaged device? Yes. From a working computer I install Linux Ubuntu on a USB or on a DVD. I have a link in the description how to do this. I have chosen to load Linux on a DVD drive. We go to the damaged computer and enter BIOS. Set your device to boot from the Linux media. Restart. Connect a second USB hard disk to save the data to be saved. During installation you will be asked if you want to try or install Linux. Choose to try. When you can see the desktop, close any window. Click on the hard disk where the windows are installed. And I will see that I get a denial access message. In the first line copy the dev SDA2, who will be different in your case. Ctrl plus Alt plus T to open the terminal. Type Sudo ntfsfix and paste the dev SDA2. You may retype it if you made a mistake, or it did not work the first time. If all goes well, this message will come out. Now you have access to your Windows OS disk. Locate the files you want and copy them to the USB disk. For example, I will copy songs that I have downloaded to the Downloads folder. Thank you for watching.